My name is Jed, and you are watching Gamer Boy. Today we are going to play a campaign map of Left 4 Dead 2. The name of the map is Hard Rain. So let's play. Yeah, waiting for ya.
This should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? Nope.
No.
There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Wow, what a prediction. What a prediction. Oh. Well, let's take a boomer by.
Grabbing a bile jar.
Make it easy for us. Shit.
No help in here.
I'll hold on to these pills.
We might need these.
I'm not sure if I made it easy for myself or more harder. Anyway. So I'm gonna go with this one and this one and don't we have any pipe bombs or anything? Alright, let's take Molotov. Oh shit. That was not bad. Oh shit.
Next gas, 2 miles.
Well, we are good to go.
Oh, shit.
Till now.
Let's head to this big pair of diesel.
Well, I prefer to play safe. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Shit.
Reloading.
I'm a reload.
That doesn't sound good.
Shoot it!
Then let's burn. At last the tank is dead, but what about ourselves? Ourselves are good?
For the landmarks.
Well, it is
Hey, through
good.
that playground.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shoot him, guys. What the fuck were you guys shooting? Why were you not shooting the charger?
Reloading!
Well, let's go without disturbing much of these zombies. I don't want to be there too, at all. Nothing here? What the fuck? Yeah. Whoa, we are.
Reloading!
Oh shit! That was jockey, man. Shit, oh my god. That's better. That's better.
Reloading.
Shit. Shit. Out of ammo. That was a mistake, man. That was a mistake.
Reloading here!
Shit.
Hey, I'm
Watch
reloading.
my back, man. Oh, that was what I was trying to do.
Hey, look out.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Let's check through these garage sales.
You shot me!
You shot me! Yeah, what you gonna do about it, bro?
Reloading!
Oh shit.
Charger! Stop shooting me!
Shit, someone save me, someone save my fucking head. What the fuck?
Reloading!
Squirming. I'm gonna heal you.
I ain't squirming, coach. Don't talk to me like that.
Reloading!
Don't talk to me like that.
Reloading.
Well, let's waste some ammo. Shit. Yeah, oh man, that's somebody.
Reloading.
Where are you, bitch? I'm never good with bitches. So let's skip quietly,
Safe room up there.
even though it's not quietly. Hurry up, guys, get inside. Aurora inside? That's good. Let's close the door.
It was way too close.
Well, we are good to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ammo and health and puke and painkillers.
Better.
Better. I am better. Come here, guys. We need to go. I plan on using this
Fight amongst yourselves.
here. And do you have anything? Yeah, we have another. Fuck. Well, that was.
I'm gonna give that witch something to cry.
In here.
Yeah, Rachel. Give that witch something to cry about. Why are there so much? Fuck. Shit. Why are you always after me? I'm not your enemy. Alright, I am your enemy, but these three are your enemies too. Die, you motherfucker. Don't come after Jed. Yeah, I'm not using the health right
Okay,
now.
it's gonna last for a
I'm
bit.
gonna go with the pills. Instead. Oh fuck, man.
Reloading!
Well. Let's get going.
Weapons over here.
Weapons. Yes. Jackie. Oh fuck. Well, we have plenty of fire bombs right here, so I need not to worry about them. Let's get shit. Hunter, die.
Reloading!
Oh shit, Alice killed that hunter. I mean, I wanted to kill him myself. That's all.
Up that ramp.
That's all. Man, I play with all the guns all the time, but to be frank, M60 is my favorite.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Because it's powerful and it's accurate.
Can always use these.
Get out and spit her
Where
good.
are you, bitch?
I'm reloading.
I don't intend to hurt you. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, bitch. Where are you? Oh, shit, they killed the woman. How come I couldn't? Oh, motherfucker. Shit. That was not good
You ain't got
at
time for this, man. Get up, get up.
That was
Thanks, man. I owe you.
not a good experience.
Does it flood around here?
Do you wanna heal my
God damn it. Quit fussing and let me heal you.
Man, I'm playing so bad today.
Reloading.
Another weapon. Another. Well, the shell needs this more than myself.
I can use these pills.
Yeah, as I said. Oh, there's a toilet. I thought that's the back door. No matter left, get going and killing and by
You can
shooting.
get up here.
Fuck another way. Shit, man. Shit, that was
Heads
a
up.
bad experience. I heard you, Murphy.
Reloading.
Don't stood a chance. Call the elevator. Call the elevator. Well, let's call the elevator.
Reloading.
I hit it.
Hey, elevator, you want to come and help me? Oh,
All right, there's
no,
the gas station.
no. What happened? Shit, man. When the hell is the elevator going to arrive?
Reloading.
Oh, come. That's it. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up.
Reloading.
No zombie. Die. I don't leave even. Fuck.
Reloading.
There are two. No, only one. Which down there. And that's not some good news. At least not for me. Yeah, do we have something in here? Yeah, we have plenty of things in here.
Grabbing a shot.
Good shooting.
That was some real shooting. Coach, come after me, motherfucker. Shit, man, that was a bit.
Head for the sign.
Watch out!
Reload.
Keep moving.
Shit, bye, man. That shit, man. That. Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me always? Come on, man, stop hitting me right in the middle of this.
Hold on. I can hear you.
Man, 3 times. 3 times. I was captured by those bitches. 3 times.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get it. Come on, get inside,
there's
man.
gas in the
I'm
safe room.
angry today.
I'm starting to like you
I'm
guys.
starting like you guys. Even we are now that
Everybody got a can?
that
got
doesn't
one.
mean anything.
Let's get back to the damn boat.
Heal you guys,
Oh,
then we are
yeah.
going
Much better now.
much better now. Can these zombies hear so much noise
Pissing down.
and know that we are here? I mean, that's what happened in the movies and other games. Well, it's good for us anyway.
Head through the field.
Head to the field.
Reloading.
Yeah, we are good till now. And by good, I mean that a witch has not incapsulated me once again. But come on, yeah. Come on, guys, move faster, move faster. We need to get going in.
We can take the elevator back up.
Oh no, 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 no. That's a sign of incoming attack. What the fuck? Hurry up, Harry. There we go. Well, by the way, anyway, what did you find in here? Well, nothing much. Oh, shit. Hurry up, Harry. Hurry. Get inside, everyone. Get inside. Get inside. That was... Bro. No, that one is man. Shit. He was flying so fast. Hurry up, guys. Let's start running to safety. Can it get any worse? At last, he's dead.
Shoot that big mother!
I'm gonna save my friends. I'm gonna save my friends. No matter what. No matter what, I'm gonna save my friends. No matter what, I'm gonna save my friends. My computer friends. My bot friends. Or whatever they are.
Reload.
Reloading. 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 Reload. I hope to find something in here. Some weapon, anything. Anything will do. Well,
We can cross on that tank.
we can close on the tank? I'd never climbed this tank. I wonder what's up here. Well, apparently nothing. Oh, where does this lead to?
Come on, this way.
I'm saying the truth. I've never climbed this thing ever before, and I don't know where it leads. Oh, there's the door. We can open. Shit. I'll leave it anyway. No, 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 not a jockey, not a jockey.
Down here.
That's how you kill a jockey. Oh, so motherfucking shit. And I want to go there, but the witch is in there. So we are going to change the route, and we are going to go from here instead. No, no, witch. Cute witch, don't hurt. Motherfucker, shit. Don't hurt us, witch. We love you.
Here comes the rain.
Please don't hurt us. Well, where are you guys coming from? I need your help. Man, I can see a damn thing. I don't remember how many boomers have I killed till now, but it's good anyway. It's good anyway. Let's get inside to safety.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Everybody get a
Get
weapon.
the hang of this, Ellis.
Well, let's go.
I'm
I'm gonna
reloading.
reload.
Shit.
Up this pipe.
So many Walking Dead zombies. I'm happy there's no witches down here. Oh man, that's not the right one. Actually, I don't think there's any right one here. Except for this one.
We can cross here.
Crush here. Oh, we are good. We are alive. We are alive. We are alive. At least till now. Man, I broke
Hold on,
some
y'all,
bones,
I'm
I
healing.
guess. Call you all, I'm healing. Then hurry up, you
That's
coach.
what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. That was inches close to me. Hurry up, guys.
That damn slow gun.
I remember, I guess we are quite close to the... Oh, I never opened this door either. Definitely. We are close to the safe house. We are gonna get into the safe house. I suspected a hunter is going to wait for me. I suspected that. I'm clever. Well, we are way richer. Let's get
And
going.
that is how you do it.
We are good till now. We are very good till now. Oh
Grabbing
man,
a shot.
there are a
Give it a
lot
shot.
of health packs here.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what these means, guys? That means we are good to go. Ha ha ha. Well,
Pipe bomb out.
I'm so smart. Fuck man, that was the last one? Oh, that's a mistake then.
Man, the whole place is underwater.
Man, the whole place is underwater.
We can get across on the rooftop.
Can get across the rooftop. We can get across under the rooftop. After killing all these zombies, even where the fuck did she came from? No. That doesn't. Because that is not. That's fucking kidding. Sucker now. That was a good. That was a really good. I hope to see some zombies real soon. I'm not a chicken hunting person. Let's get going. Oh shit. No. Good zombies.
Got it. Nice shot.
I remember that porch light.
Good zombies don't bite other people. You are good zombies, don't
Reloading.
kill me.
I'm reloading.
Well,
Look out now.
oh, here's the way. Here's the way. Here's the way.
Reloading.
No, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing in here.
Reloading.
And that is not good. That's why. There's a ladder. Yes, oh, yeah. There is one. Come. Why are you not coming up? No, don't hurt my friend, Chucky. Well, let's run for our life. Let's run for our life, guys. Hurry up. And I thought there... Where did that come from? I guess there used to be safe house somewhere here. I don't remember where is it right now. So let's get going.
Reloading! Y'all here? Get ready to toss that bitch. Lights out.
Oh. No. Good zombie. Good zombie. Hurry up, guys. We need to go. You are so slow. Damn. These friends of mine are...
Watch out!
What?
The playground. We're almost out of here. Take to that.
Damn, I'm impressed.
Oh, there. No. Don't nobody wander off then. Hurry up. You idiot. I reckon we are really close to the safe house. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck. That was the worst thing that could happen to me. And right now I don't really know where I'm going, and I can't get them. Now I'm surrounded by all these. What? Why the fuck are they not helping me? Why the fuck are you not helping me? Why the fuck didn't you help me? I feel betrayed, man. I feel really betrayed. Because they didn't help me back there.
And that is how you do it.
Oh, where? Oh, there am I?
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Hey, what if we turn on the burger tank
Well,
sign?
don't take the
Alright,
last
sounds like a plan.
kill juice. Got that for me. You better don't touch it. You better don't touch it, you idiot. Because I'm gonna take it, you idiot. Well, let's put this thing to some good use.
Reload.
Now we are
I'm
good to go.
reloading.
Now we are good to go.
Reloading!
Well, let's hit that burger sign up there, or whatever it is called. I don't know what the shit is there. Let's
Fast food is gonna save
signal
us.
the boat.
Please be watching, Virgil.
Man, this is what you need. But girl, fuck, man. Oh, I'm so sorry to tell. No. Oh, no. No. Shit, man, I fall. Now you are gonna help me. Katana. But I have a bad feeling that if we are down here, then we are going to get really soon.
Hey, watch out!
And when I say really soon, I mean it. So let's get up there.
Reloading.
Because I feel safe there. Nothing else. Oh.
Tank!
Where? Where? I know there's a tank somewhere. Can you tell me where he's? There. Shit, man, that was not such a good move. Hurry up, guys. Fuck,
Shoot it!
you guys are late. You guys are really late. I took all the damage, man. I took all the damage on the ball. Because they were late. God, they were. Oh, did he die? Oh no, he didn't die. I'm gonna kill him, man. Whoa, I killed him. And now I'm gonna kill all these zombies too. Well, that was easy.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
That was easy.
Reloading.
Shit. No, Spider Glue. No, Spider. What? These
I'm
guys
reloading.
are so damn slow, man.
There.
Yeah, shall he? Why is he not healing us?
Storm coming!
Doesn't matter to me. Doesn't matter to me. I don't know if there's another tank. Fuck, another tank. Whoa, man. There's the way out. Whoa, that was close. But we killed that tank anyway. I guess that it should come anytime now. Why is the boat not coming? Why is the boat not coming? Why is the boat not coming? Whoa. There's the boat. There's the boat. There's our lifesaver. Hurry up. I guess I should throw this to save my friend. Himberg. Oh. Get inside. Yeah. Whoa. At last. At last. We are safe. The survivors has escaped. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. Thanks for leaving that like and comment. Subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. Thanks and have a nice day.